It is November 10th. Untoward, my fucking leg is itching. Okay, I gotta flip this going here. Untoward Clarksville. No, yeah, that's what I want. I want this one. The correct lane for a change. It looks like I'm getting ready to go on. It's mainly untoward. They had it. I'm hoping Ryan Holmes, not Ryan's buffet. They're fucking gone, unfortunately. Say it. So glad I have Asperger to make those interesting driving videos in the world. My parents didn't think I was capable of driving. They were uptight, ignorant, stupid. They didn't know anything about Asperger. They just thought I was mentally ill. Oh, that reminds me. My grandfather was a fucking authoritarian, fucking brutal fucking prick. And an aunt in Evan, right after I turned 10 years old, I believe I had beaten off for the first time a couple of weeks beforehand. That was when I went with my brother and my Aunt Char to Florida. And my mother went with. And my Aunt Char was a fucking cunt. I was so glad she croaked. Because, well, not even to the exits on the left. Shit, I gotta be over here then. Thought I was out until 4. Don't want to miss my exit. Louisville. Either way you go out of the fucking way. Because for some reason, if you go towards Louisville, you swing back out east. It's too far. Take Gift Evans in Illinois, you go too far west. What on is the most direct path, but it takes fucking ever to be able to fucking get there. Then I gotta Clarksville. Take the last Tron to Clarksville. That was from the Monkees. He sang that song. And Peter Tork, I'm afraid he croaked, but he had Asperger's. I think he decided to get diagnosed because they couldn't figure out why he had so many temper tantrums. Or went into rampages of unappreciation. Yeah, that happens when you have rampage, when you have Asperger's, because you got a lot of fucking assholes who treat you like shit. You got your, habits and... Oh my god. Oh god, it's fucking boring now. Hoping it ain't gonna be the whole way to the Chicago area. It's supposed to rain. Indianapolis as well. Rain. I don't know if that's the same system that's causing this rain. Get some donuts because I didn't have time to eat my baby day. On Thursday. During my trip. The best song. The best Chinese buffet was hibachi buffet. Probably even a little bit better than Golden Crow was at least to the southern Illinois, and maybe a little further down than that. I have to still get up and get gas tomorrow. Had Asperger. What the fuck? God, this fucking... God. Damn, up in fucking potholes. The camera was been out of order here. You know. Can't see those fucking things at night. I'm sure they did. Their schools are infested with fucking pieces of trash. Got nothing better to do. Why be nice to each other? Call each other names out. Some of the only I call people names because they deserve to be called names. They're assholes. out of gas. Ignore the place. Ah, it's so fucking dark here. Stop this and make a part or this video because I need to find a gas sauce.